This cocktail is going to be a little specific, takes a little bit of prep beforehand, but it's really cool. I'm showing you guys how to make a Butterfly Mule. Let's go! Let's take a look at what you're going to need to make this cocktail. You're going to want rum infused with butterfly pea flowers, ginger beer, 2 limes, and today's glass of choice, a Collins glass. First, we're gonna get some ice in our Collins. As always, we're using a Ziploc bag because I'm making cocktails at home. Oh my eye. Now for the sake of presentation, we're gonna pour in the ingredients in the reverse order. So first we're gonna get our limes squeezed into the glass, and then the ginger beer, and then lastly, our infused rum. Okay, now let's get our ginger beer poured in. And now we're gonna go ahead and get our infused rum poured over top. So usually you wanna do 2 ounces, but we're just gonna eyeball it and get to the very top until we're satisfied with how the layering looks. So you wanna get your mixing spoon, turn it on the curved side, and gently pour over top. Okay, that looks beautiful. That looks so beautiful. Oh my God. So let's move this over to the side. Okay. Next, what we're gonna do for our garnish is we're gonna get a single lime wedge. Oh, I should probably do this in an angle so you guys can see. We're gonna get a single lime wedge, cut a line in there. And then lastly, we're gonna grab a mint sprig and we're just gonna fit it right next to that lime wedge. Beautiful. And that's all there is to it. Our Butterfly Mule is complete. Now, it's time for our taste rating to see just what we're dealing with. Just gonna go ahead and squeeze this lime in here. Okay. And then we're gonna give it a nice, good stir. Oh, and just look at how that color mixes into the cocktail as a whole. Oh my God. This is fantastic. Look at that hue. Look at the gradient. Yeah, let's get this mint sprig out of here. Here we go, guys. Taste test, Butterfly Mule. I don't know what I was expecting, but oh, hold on. Whoa. Where do I even begin? Firstly, this color is blowing my mind right now. This color is actually, hold on. Let me give this another sip real quick. I can't explain this cocktail. I can't explain it. I like it. I like it. But the flavor of the butterfly pea is so alien to me. I can't explain this. I cannot explain this. This is different. This is a good mule. Okay, the ginger beer is familiar territory. You can taste that ginger beer. The lime juice does a great job adding a balance, you know, so it's not too overbearing for the ginger, and the rum butterfly pea. But the butterfly pea infused rum, I don't know what I was expecting, but this is just one of those cocktails where you drink it and it works. It works, you don't understand why, but it works. I like this. I need to experiment with butterfly pea a bit more so I can get a better understanding of the flavor profile. Give me a second, let me try one more time. Yeah, I don't know what to say. Like it's like a subtle taste of tea. Yeah, I don't know. It's different. It's different. It looks sexy and it's tasty. But don't take my word for it. You take a sip and love life. You know the drill. You like my content, you like the videos I'm pumping out, hit that like button, smash that subscribe button and tell your friends to come through and check out my brews. But I'm gonna take one more sip of this drink because it's alien to me, it's great, and I'm thirsty, so let's get it. Oh. Ow! Woo! Damn! Now that's a good ass cocktail. I'll see you for the next cocktail. Wait a minute, did I tell you to subscribe during this video? I don't think I did. Well, anyway, don't forget, subscribe.